जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि जलसा के ऊपर मुख्तलिफ जो मेहमान मुख्तलिफ मुल्कों के आते हैं ना, उनके साथ थोड़े तासुरात के साथ आप तक वो क्या कहते हैं तासुरात पहुँचाते हैं, ताकि आपको आइडिया हो कि जो लोग यहाँ मुख्तलिफ कौमियतों से आए हैं वो क्या महसूस करते हैं। आज हमारे साथ एक दोस्त है बांग्लादेश से, ये बेसिकली ये कनाडा में रह रहे हैं, तो इनसे इनके पीछे पूरी टीम खड़ी है, लेकिन उनको इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, तो इनके साथ थोड़ी सी गुफ्तगू करते हैं, पूछते हैं कि ये जलसे को कैसा जी अपना फर्स्ट यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
My name is Tawhidul Islam. Yes. Bangladeshi Canadian, live in Kerala last 16 years.
Okay.
So this will be my second Jalsa attending UK.
Yes.
I attended the first Jalsa 2003, where I did the first year of the Khalafat Samesa.
Yes.
Samesa.
Yes.
So 21 years coming back again.
Okay.
It's a new place.
Yes.
And very big audience.
Yeah.
I like really the vibrant of Jalsa.
Yeah.
This spiritual atmosphere. Alhamdulillah, I had the opportunity to pray behind Khalifatul Masih, all the 5 waqt namaz.
MashaAllah. So you are staying here in Jalsaga?
Yeah, I'm staying in Jalsaga.
Okay.
And along with our Bengali brothers from different parts of the world.
Yeah.
Some came from Canada, some from Belgium,
Yes.
Germany,
Yeah.
Netherlands.
Yes.
And some from Bangladesh as well.
Yeah.
It's wonderful, like to meet people.
Yes.
Like after 20 years as well, some people I met.
Yes. Yes.
Some people I met for the first time.
Oh, very nice.
And even like when I walk around Jalsaga, I hear people speaking a different language.
Yes.
So it gives that international feeling.
Yeah, you can say international family.
Family.
It looks like a family,
Yeah.
international, of Pakistani, Indian, Bangladesh, all brothers
Yeah, it doesn't
enjoying
matter
their-
like what is the background. You're all together united
Yes.
under Khilafat.
Yeah, that's right.
And mashallah, there's very great blessings here at the Jalsa.
Really. Will you like to tell how came Ahmadiyat in your family?
Okay, actually I'm a converted Ahmadi.
Okay.
I took bayat like when I just finished my high school.
Okay.
My brother took bayat first, my
Yeah.
elder brother.
Yes.
And miraculously he got the message.
Yeah.
He was passing by the central mosque in
Well,
Dhaka.
okay.
He got curious, he went inside.
Yeah. Yeah.
And Allah Ta'ala, I think Allah Ta'ala took him or selected him for
Yeah.
Hidayat,
Yeah.
guidance.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And then he talked to people and
Yeah.
he was convinced.
Yes.
Then he came home.
Yeah.
He talked about Ahmadiyat at home with our siblings and parents. And I also got attracted by the message. It is a fulfillment of the prophecy of the Holy Prophet regarding Dajjal, Yajuj and Majuj.
Yeah. Yeah.
One of the explanation that he provided, fully satisfied. And I also took bayat after a couple of.
But normally you see in the world, young people, they don't searching for the religion. They are just searching for different types of funds and enjoying the life and progressing in different professions. But how you converted, you came to this idea that I have to search for the Ahmadiyya. What was the reason behind?
Yeah, we come from a religious background family.
Yeah.
So my parents taught us you have to pray 5 times.
Yeah.
They taught us all the praying, even the recitation of the Holy Quran
Yes.
has to be done daily.
Yeah.
So we have that upbringing.
Yeah.
We have some attraction to religion from
Yeah,
the beginning. But when I see so many fiction, so many groups and firqas among the Muslims, this disheartened us. So even that early age of life, I was also looking for any guidance for the true path among the different firqas.
Okay.
I think Allah Ta'ala guided me. Allah Ta'ala answered my quest.
Yes.
He guided me the right path.
Yeah, we heard there is a शेर वो क्या कहते हैं उर्दू में, वो एक शेर में जिनकी किस्मत नेक हैं वो आएंगे अंजाम का pious जो क्या in English you can say soul will automatically come to this direction. So I can say in that way that you are young, but you were already from your parents you learned Islam, and then you were looking the real path. That was the reason. And your whole family is now Ahmadi?
Like from my siblings, me and my elder brother.
Yeah.
But other siblings didn't take bayat.
Yeah.
But mashallah, I married to Ahmadi. So
Yeah.
my my wife, my kids, and
Oh,
family.
very nice. Thank you very much for giving us time. Inshallah, we will see you maybe on Germany Jalsa or maybe here next time.
Maybe next year.
Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.